I am Jumpy. I talk about home remedies. I will give some recommendation about cold. Cold is a breath problem. If you don't breathe good, you can put a vapor in your chest. Other thing is onion. You should put onion in your bedroom for 1 week every night. Those are things it can help for a good breath. You should drink liquids, for example water. It's very good for the cold. Other liquid is lemon juice. The ingredients are it's lemons and water. It's very simple to prepare it. And you can take the lemon juice for 1 week and 1 glass for afternoon. And other liquid you can do preparate, it's a liquid, but this liquid you must take very hot. The ingredients are honey, ginger, butter, and hot agua panela. You mix the ingredients and then you take very hot and you go to sleep. Other recommendation is eat much fruits. For example, banana and other fruits. Do you like? And you should not go out in the night because the cold air affect your lungs. You mustn't drink cold liquids, and these my recommendations. The recommendations are very simple, but if you feel the same, I recommend go to the doctor because the cold in the future sends for a dangerous sickness. Those are my recommendations. Thanks for your listen and bye.